This video will give you information on the parking permits that are available at CSU Stanislaus. What you'll want to do from the homepage is go ahead and in the top right corner of the webpage, you'll want to go ahead and click on this A to Z link. That'll take you to the A to Z directory on Stan's website. And from here, you'll want to go ahead and click on the letter U, and that'll pull up all the departments that start with the letter U. And you'll want to scroll down until you find the University Police Department's link. By clicking on the University Police Department link, or UPD, this will take you to UPD's homepage. From their homepage, you'll want to scroll down, and under this left-hand column, you'll want to go ahead and click on the link Parking Gateway. By clicking on this link, it'll take you to this overview page where under the quick links section, you'll be able to go ahead and click on parking permit costs, and that'll take you to a second web page that'll have the costs for all CSU community members listed and broken down. As a staff member, you'll want to go ahead and refer to this third column, or if you are an MPP administrative employee, you'll want to refer to the MPP column. And then the first price that is listed in this spreadsheet is for the monthly cost. To opt for the monthly enrollment, you will have to go into UPD's office physically. At this time, no appointment is required. However, you may want to call ahead of time just to confirm. And when you go in, you'll just set it up. You'll put down a payment initially, and then after that, that amount will just be deducted from your paycheck each month. However, if you are interested in just opting for the by semester amount and just buy the permit for the semester, what you'll want to do is currently UPD has linked below that left-hand column this section called Parking Permit. And by clicking on this My Campus Permit link, they'll take you to another web page called the Parking Management Bureau, which from here, you'll just want to select the Stan State link and then walk through the prompt to purchase the semester permit. And then that permit should come in the mail within a week or so, but that'll be how you'll purchase the permit online. But if you do have any questions or concerns about any of the parking permit pricings or anything else related to the parking permit and parking on campus, I definitely recommend you reach out to UPD for more information.